You might be noticing that you haven't been getting notifications from iMessage, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage notifications or iMessage not showing notifications. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first advice I'm going to give you is to check if your Do Not Disturb mode is off. So just scroll down from the control center right here. So at the top right part of your iPhone, scroll down and your control center should pop up. And on this part of the screen, you should be able to see the Do Not Disturb option. So if that is currently turned on, make sure to click on this moon icon to have it turned off, and you should be able to see or receive timely notifications. Now I'm just going to turn it on again. And then the next thing that you can do is to go to your settings right over here and click on notifications, and let's scroll down a bit and let's find the Messages app. Now click on this one right here and make sure that you have allowed notifications as well as the time sensitive notifications, because this will allow the notifications to be delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. Now, if that is not the case and you still don't receive the iMessage notifications, the last thing that you can check is still on the settings app and scroll down a bit and find this messages option right here and click on notifications on here and make sure that you have allowed notifications as well as the time sensitive notifications and these alerts as well as you prefer. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.